Tell him to come on over. Who? I have only 2 visitors, my cousin and my best friend. No, 3. Because my cousin's daughter, my cousin, and my best friend. Hi, Jose. Who I'm going to tell to come over? Yeah. My brother going to sundo my cousin. Ba't ganyan ka ta? Ay, sorry. My son is enjoying the water. It's really, really hot. Really, really hot. Really, really hot. Really, really hot. Yeah, my brother going to get my cousin to her house. He is waiting for my cousin's message because my cousin said she gonna message me or my brother if she want to go pick up there. My cousin just live on the another street, like 10 minutes walk or 15, depends on how you walk. Hi, Raimundo Diaz. And my best friend will be coming to this way, and my cousin will coming to this way, like that. This street is my best friend, and the other one it's my cousin. Do like this, and like that. Kain ka? Mr. Man wants to eat. Dito ka mag-eat para hindi mahulog din mga kanin. Opo. Say hi, guys. Hi ka muna dito. Hi. Dito. Hi. Ito, tingin ka sa camera. Hi. Hi, let's swim. Hi. Oh, let's swim. Swim. Let's go. Lamig na ikaw? Nako. Ito na ikaw. Nako.